Turmeric Face Mask. Happy New Year, I'm Shante and welcome back to my channel. This is a DIY turmeric face mask tutorial. For my turmeric face mask, I use turmeric, honey, and lemon juice. I use too much turmeric, but it still worked. That's why my face mask is looking cakey. I mixed all of my ingredients into my bowl and applied it to my face. I let it sit for 20 minutes. The benefits of turmeric are to get rid of dark spots and acne. I don't really have a problem with acne, but the bottom of my face is darker than the top, and you may be able to see that in some of my pictures or my videos. But some people don't notice it until I actually point it out. But this turmeric face mask will help even out my skin. It will also stain your nails, and wear a shirt that you don't mind getting messy. This mask will also help with inflammation, tighten your pores, eczema, reduces redness, help with your dark circles, anti-aging, and wrinkles. Yes, there are a lot of benefits in this turmeric face mask. It also helps with facial hair, so be careful with putting this around your eyebrows and hairline. This turmeric mask will also dry your skin and get rid of flakes, so I don't recommend using this every day. And if you have some yellow left on your face after you wash it off, don't freak out. It's just that you need to do a cleansing after you take off this turmeric face mask. So use your favorite facial wash. I scrub my face with Biore facial wash and then moisturize with Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Lotion with pure cocoa butter. I didn't know that the results would show so instantly, so I'm going to use this once a week until I get my face evened out. My face felt extremely smooth and soft, and then at night I use a baby wipe and then moisturize my face. That's just my skincare routine that I'm changing to now. Look at how smooth my skin is. My face looks extremely smooth. Like, I love the results. Can y'all tell that I'm feeling myself? I also got my fiance to do it with me too. Isn't he a sport? But his pictures came out dark, but his face in person, it looked extremely smooth and soft, but I'm not sure why the pictures came out the way they did with his pictures. And then my baby Empress Aurora sitting here holding my breast milk storage bags. But yes, girl, look at my face looking all smooth. I am feeling myself. Do you see how the bottom of my face look dark at the bottom? We don't like that. So yeah, that gots to go. And we are going to get rid of that. But yeah, can a sister feel herself? Like, look at my face. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on my other channel, on my other sites. There are also listed, and the ingredients and everything that I use will be in the description box below. Do you like my face? Be blessed.
Why does it look like my skin is glistening? Happy New Year!